I would say that the typical roof lifespan for an asphalt shingle system here in mid-Missouri is around 18 to 22 years. Again, these manufacturers do offer limited lifetime warranties on their systems. They're not doing the 30, 40, and 50-year designated timeframes that they used to do. So again, I do encourage homeowners around that 10 to 12-year mark to go ahead and have those annual inspections beginning at that point. You're just trying to prevent future leaks, extend the life of the roof system as long as you can at that point, and stay on top of things so we can get up on the roof and you guys can stay on the ground. You know, you can have a roof inspection done at any point throughout the year. The months to avoid actually, or try and work around, you know, getting your roof replaced or worked on is anytime when we're in that severe weather in the winter, you know, January and February months when temperatures are below 40 degrees or when we've got a lot of unexpected weather or snow on the roof. Those are times that you kind of want to avoid that, or we're going to go ahead and say, hey, this is just not you know, feasible for us to come out there and work in the elements outside, so we're going to go ahead and wait for a warmer day or just a better you know, weather at that point. Yeah, so you know, here in mid-Missouri we do encounter hailstorms, wind storms as well here. So I will say that anytime that you know, weather has impacted the roof, or you see you know, neighbors getting their roofs inspected or replaced due to a future storm, that could significantly decrease the life expectancy or longevity of your roofing system. So those are all also times to go ahead and make sure that you're staying on top of it and being aware to have that roofing system inspected.